About ready to make a long video out of this, but it's going to be a bunch of little edited snippets. And on today's video of working on my old lady's Buick, going to put on power steering lines, front differential, already put her in the 6 coil packs. I'm going to put her on some premium brake pads. She's got to stop. She done got the new radiator and fan put together. I got to put on there. And she didn't put them together.
No, I didn't put them together. I
But,
didn't put them together.
but she would if I asked her to. She would.
I would have tried.
Yeah. Man, this thing takes all kinds of work. That rack and pinion, got her a new rack and pinion to put in there. Where's it at? Point at the box. Point at the box, Vivian. That box right there.
That's a big rack and pinion.
It's me and my buddy Hawko in the garage. Say hi, Hawko. Weedle Hawko. Yeah, gonna get this rack and pinion up in there. I did the power steering lines yesterday or something. Get some new power steering lines. Gonna attempt to get them hooked up to this rack and pinion and also the power steering pump. Yep, that's tonight's mission, Hawko. I don't think he cares. No. Oh, he don't care. Weedle baby Hawko. Doo. Yeah. Had to put old Hawko outside. He is getting very rambunctious. However, let's see how far we make it on this thing. Got that rack and pinion put in. Like I was saying, the power steering lines. Even got the I'm on the front of the vehicle. So I guess that'd make it the front differential. Got it put up in there. Yeah, I painted this thing. Just cause. What else? Rack and pinion. Got that. Oh, the motor mount. Somewhere up in there's a motor mount. Yeah, right there. They really put these things together. It's been my progress on it. I know getting that differential out, there's different ways to do it. Oh, it's me and Hawko back in the garage again today. Today I'm gonna put this steering knuckle and stuff back together on this side. Might even get to the alternator and AC, put it back down in there. Yeah, see how far we get today. Heck, I still got, radiator, new pads, and what else? That ball joint. I'm gonna put a new ball joint on there. While I'm here, that's where we're at today, guys. We think Hawko. Hey. Pawpaw, give me a paw. He's a good old pawpaw. Oh, he's a little Hawko baby. He's a little Hawko baby. He's a good little guy. Say durf. Pet me. Alright, so I got that lower ball joint in over here, and I got a call on some jobs, so I'm gonna go check it out. I'm just gonna leave this fucking damn dumb thing right here. I don't know what's up with that. It was pretty rough to get out of there. Pretty rough to push in. As you can see, I used my little torque it to ungodly. It actually didn't go up above, I think, 175, maybe 200 foot-pounds pressing that in there. But yeah, it went. That thing was tough getting out of there. Go do something else. Go to work, as they say. Let me go get to work. Alright, so got everything put back together. And my lovely assistant here not doing things right. That's what assistants are for, to have other people go over their work. But let's see, got the radiator in, the ball joint done, got it filled up on coolant, power steering fluid. Had to fix a number 6 coil pack way back in there, which oddly enough, that is the easiest one of all of them to get to, believe it or not. What else? I don't even know what else has been done to this thing. New brakes. What else? A lot of stuff. Yeah, it's back together again. Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you,
Very happy.
okay.